This is definitely a mini size. I'm a little bit disappointed. Hi guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing the Nars Advent Calendar. It is this beautiful and sleek box here. As you can see, we have a small box and the price of it is 110 euros. It doesn't contain 24 products. It is very small for that. We have only 12 products in this one. I was searching for this one in September and I couldn't find any information if Nars would release an Advent Calendar. And a few days ago, some of you were asking me about this Advent Calendar and I was like, what? We have one? So I found it on the line and now it's here. We have this beautiful sleek box with a matte finish and this is how it looks inside. Da-da! And all of the boxes. It is super pretty if you want to keep it for your jewelry or makeup products. So box number 1, oh, it is fully packed and it is this one here. The boxes also have a soft touch finish. And the first product is the Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Star Woman, and we have 2 milliliters of product. This is looking like a liquid lipstick and the applicator is super small. Oh my god, did I touch my nose? Okay, I'm fine. It has a very light, sweet chemical scent. It is a super pretty dark red cherry lip color. So I'm going to let it dry because I'm not very sure if this is a matte liquid lipstick it looks like or a lip gloss because I don't have a lot of Nars products. And box number 2 is exactly next to number 1. Everything is in order, so we don't have to search for the numbers. This is also a mini box. It is stuck. Oh, okay, I caught it. We have here the lipstick in the shade Orgasm, and I think this is a shade that they have for a blush. It is a very popular blush, and let's see if this is the same color. I think this is also the color of the blush. I don't have it, but yeah, this is the color that I have seen in pictures and videos. So with this lipstick we have 1.7 grams of product. It can last up to 24 months. It has like a balm consistency. That's weird. It is more like a lip topper. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought it was opaque. And this lipstick is a light peachy shade. It is shimmery and it has some very fine gold micro glitter. Also the liquid lipstick that we have is completely matte now, so it's not a lip gloss. This deep red color is very nice for a Christmas eye look. For door number 3 we have something bigger. It is twice the size of the previous boxes. And here we have the single eyeshadow in the shade Virgin Gorda. The quantity that we get is 1.1 grams. That's a very unique packaging, super pretty. And this is how it looks inside. Ooh, we have some fallout, but nothing is broken. On the back of the packaging we have an opening here and you can push the eyeshadow and take it out and have it in a Z palette. That's super practical. I'm going to just have it back. Very nice packaging. We also have a very small mirror. It seems that it is very small, but it is very clear and actually it can work, I think, if you want to touch up or apply your lipstick. This is a light pink champagne shimmery eyeshadow. Super pretty. You can also use this on darker skin tones as a highlighter. It has a very beautiful sheen. Maybe we have a mascara. Let's see. Found it! This is the Dramatic Volumizing Mascara Nars Climax and it gives 96% full maximum volume. This one is definitely a mini size. Super pretty packaging, very elegant. All of the products until now have a very nice aesthetic. We have a very nice round spoolie. I prefer something like that, but I'm not sure if I can use it on my eyes. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite product by Nars, and if you want to see a product that you like in the advent calendar. Let's see the box number 5. This one is a little bit heavier and I think it fits almost fully the box. So let's see what we have. Another box. This is the Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Orgasm. Ooh, the packaging is gorgeous. And I'm very curious to swatch this product. I think it has a candy scent, and this one is the lighter version of the previous lipstick, and it is a very light peachy lip shade. It has a very light consistency. It's not very balmy. It is creamier and softer. I think this one is the only full-size product that we got, the lip balm. Let's see number 6. This one here is a velvet matte lip pencil in the shade Intriguing, and we have this light mauvish color. This is a very pretty shade for every day. You can use it for any eye look, I think. Let's continue with box number 7. This is very lightweight. I think that we have a lip pencil or eye pencil, brow pencil. Oh, it's a brush. It says it is the brush number 40, and as it looks, it is a travel size brush. The bristles are a little bit stiff and tight, so I want to see online what is this brush because I have no idea. This one here is an eyeshadow brush. I think it is a little bit too big for my eyes, or in general for eyes. I think we have a wooden handle. It looks very big for an eyeshadow brush, but it's not very flexible and it is very soft. So I'm very curious to see how this works. And box number 8 is heavier. I'm going to say another mascara just because I have no clue. And it is a brush. This one looks like a face brush. Again, it is a travel size and it says number 20. This one is easy to hold it. It's not a very short brush and you can apply your blush, your bronzer, contouring. I'm guessing that these two are very expensive brushes. Let me know in the comments if you have tried them. The box number 9 looks bigger than all the other. It is the big brother of boxes. Oh, we have a blush bronzer duo. That's nice. So we have the shades Orgasm and Laguna. I have seen a lot of people using these two products and this is how it looks. Super adorable, elegant. All of the products are so sleek, and let's see. Ooh, this is definitely a mini size. Oh, I was looking if we had an opening for these two, to take them out. We don't, but I think you can still take these out, the pants. So let's see the colors. The blush, the bronzer. Okay, the bronzer is not very noticeable on me. I need to apply a couple of layers to see the color, and it has a very light sheen. About the blush, it reminds a lot the two other products that we got, the lipstick and the lip balm. And I'm trying to make it a little bit visible so you can see the color on camera. Both of them were not so pigmented in swatches, but I'm curious to see how they look on my face. This is such an overhyped blush that I was expecting for it to be more intense. It has a shiny finish, so I'm a little bit concerned of those pores that I have. Let's see box number 10. This one here is the Velvet Lip Glide in the shade Bound, and I don't know what is this lip product, so let's open it and see. I'm guessing this is a lip gloss because it says Lip Glide. I don't know, let's see. We have a tiny applicator again. I'm wondering if it is going to be easy to use these products, especially the liquid lipstick and the lip gloss. We have this beautiful mauvish pink lip color. It also has a very light sweet chemical scent. So this one is very pretty and it's also going to work with the matte lip pencil that we got. You can use them together. Let's continue with box number 11. Oops. This is a velvet matte lip pencil in the shade Train Blow, and I got this one in another advent calendar, and it is this one here, so I'm not going to open the new one. This is a deep purple lip color. It is super pretty, and you can also use it by itself. I like these matte lip pencils because you don't have to find a lip pencil. You can use them also as a lipstick. Moving on to box number 12, and let's see what this one is. This is the Velvet Shadow Stick in the shade Oaxaca. This one is also a mini size, and we have 1 gram of product. This is a light grey champagne shimmery eyeshadow in a cream formula. It gives a satin finish. It's not very shiny. You can use this as a base for other eyeshadows. I want to see if you can make it more intense. After a while, this one is not sticky at all, and maybe you don't have to set it with an eyeshadow. I'm not very excited with this advent calendar, I think because of the tiny lip products that I got. I know that Nars is a more expensive brand, but I was expecting more quantity for the products, and we got only 2 full-size products. One of them is the lip balm. I would prefer if it was another makeup product, maybe the very famous eye primer that they have. About the variety of the products, half of them are for the lips, and they are so tiny. You can find here the advent calendar by MAC Cosmetics, and the overall value for this one is 182 euros, which is not great for this advent calendar because the price for this one is 110 euros. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!